Hey, how you doing, Mike? Innovative Door. We're going to show you LiftMaster WLED. I kind of like this machine. It's nice and quiet as the 8550 is, slow start and stop, and of course you're getting the beam of radiant light from the LED. Now the only thing I did notice about that, it doesn't shoot the light backward this way towards the garage. You can see it's kind of darker back here, but out that way, super uber bright. It's got the battery, comes in the box, you got to put that in. It's the belt drive, so it's the same as the 8550 except with your WLED, your LED light bulbs, and it's a real nice setup. Quiet, comes with the nice multi-pad with the sensor and the up down and the timer to close and all the fun goodies that the old ones had. So there it is, the new WLED. It's compared to the linear 852 or the AMR 860. I think this one's right up there at the top. And I'd probably vote for this one because it's got more black on it. That's just me in my opinion. The linear is black with the two bulbs on the side, and the AMR is the gray with the big bulb underneath. So this one's right up there. This one's got the Wi-Fi like all of them. So for all your door needs, Innovative 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. We'll like you anyways. And we'll hook you up with an LED opener. The LED light bulb. Thanks for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord.